Hey there, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to change the margins on your WordPress website. If your content ever feels cramped or you just want to create a cleaner layout, adjusting margins can make a huge difference, and you can do it quickly without touching any code. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to your WordPress website. Take a moment to look at the top right corner. You'll see the login button. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the login screen. For the fastest login, choose the Continue with Google option. You'll see a list of your Google accounts. Just pick the one you use for WordPress, and there you go. You're logged in and ready to start customizing your site. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. Clicking this takes you straight into the editing interface, which is where all the magic happens. One of the best parts about WordPress is that it makes styling your site super accessible, even if you've never written a line of code. Now, let's find the block you want to adjust. Remember, a block is just a section on your page that holds content like text, images, or buttons. Click on the block you want to modify and you'll see a bunch of editing options pop up. Over on the right side of the screen, you'll notice a panel. This is your main control area for styles. Click on the Styles tab and you'll see a whole bunch of options for fonts, colors, spacing, and more. Don't worry, we're focusing on spacing today. Scroll down until you reach the Dimensions section. This is where margin controls live. Margins are the space outside your block, so changing them gives your content room to breathe. You can adjust the top, bottom, left, or right margins individually, or all at once if you want consistent spacing. A quick tip: small adjustments often make the biggest difference. You don't need huge numbers, just enough to give your content a little breathing room. Play around with the values and see how it affects your layout in real time. Once you are happy with your adjustments, take a step back and preview your page. Check how it looks on different devices if you can. Sometimes a margin that looks perfect on desktop might need a tweak on mobile. WordPress makes it easy to switch views so you can make sure your site looks great everywhere. And that's it. You've now learned how to quickly and easily change the margins on your WordPress website. By taking control of your spacing, you're making your content more readable, visually appealing, and professional. Thanks for watching. Keep experimenting with different settings and exploring all the customization options WordPress offers. You'll be surprised at how much you can improve your site's look and feel with just a few tweaks.